Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace cabin air filter in 2015 Chevrolet Cruze. This is gonna apply to most of GM vehicles but also other make and models. Cabin air filter in this vehicle is located behind the glove box, so that means we will have to remove the glove box to gain access to the cabin air filter. So open it up, and once when it's open, if you look on the right hand side, you're gonna see this dampener cord. So that's the first thing we need to remove. So to remove that cord, you will have to lift up your glove box a little bit and try to pull this out. 1 second, let me do this with this hand so you can see. So try to pull it out and then feed it through this hole. Now you see we remove that, and now next step is you will have to push on each side of the glove box to release it, and now you can lower it down. And to have better access, I completely removed this glove box, so it's attached on each side, right there and right there. So basically just wanna pull it out. And now right here we see cabin air filter cover. To undo that, on each side you will have 2 clips. You just wanna undo them and now pull up the top clip towards yourself. To remove this middle top clip, the easiest way is to use a small flathead screwdriver, so you can just pry it out, just like that. And now this cover will just go down like that, and now you can replace your cabin air filter. As you see, there is no cabin air filter in my vehicle, so I'm gonna install a brand new one now. The proper way to install cabin air filter is that air flow is pointing down. The air filter is properly aligned so it sits inside nicely, just like that. Push it all the way, and now we can close this. So there are 2 tabs on each side. 1, 2, and there is top one, so you want to push it in until it clicks. Make sure this cover is properly closed. Now you want to put your glove box back. Like I said, on each corner you need to attach it. Now when it's sitting properly, just want to push it in. So now you want to bring your dampener cord down and feed it through this hole on the side and pull it in from inside, just like that. And now you want to push on each side of the glove box and just push it in, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.